Good morning friends, myself Sakhi. Today I want to present my presentation on the topic called child labor. Because child labor is an international phenomenon which destroys the future of the children. It is a social problem. It is a common problem not only in India but in any developing countries. It is said that children are the hope and the future of the nation. But there are millions of children in our country which do not have a carefree childhood. Now let us see what is meant by child labor. Child labor. In general speaking, child labor means taking the children harms or exploits in some way. It means physically, mentally, or blocking the access to education. It means in general. Now let us see what are the causes and what are the child labors in India. Child labor is in India. Child labor is a common problem in India. India accounts for the second highest number where the child labor is done, and Africa stands in the first place. Child Labor Act has been declared in India in the Parliament on 23rd December 1996. But in India, there are many countries which are not developed and the child labor is still being continued. Child labor causes many harm. Child labor means not only child labor causes of the child labor. Many of the people think child labor, if you work a child, it increases the income of the family. But child labor destroys the international business of India also, because in many of the foreign goods and many goods has been stopped because of child labor, because children has been used in the production or in the manufacture. Lack of interest in education is also another cause for child labor, because in child labor they think that surrounding effect of the surrounding is very much. They think that why we should go work. We should work not for education. So they give priority to work but not to education. What we have to do is we have to create interest in education. What are the solutions for the child labor? Child labor laws should be strictly enforced by the government. General public also should have done much on this. We are the general public. What we have to do is being a general public, what we have to do is we have to have minimum of this, and there are many children we see at our streets or at daughters of our servant maids. Many of them are there. We can take any of them and create an interest in them and create an interest in education for them, so that we can help for them very much. The owners of the factories and mines should take the pledge of not engaging children in their place of business. We see many small children working at shops because of their income. So so the shopkeepers should take the pledge that they will not keep the children at their houses. So please stop child labor and let India make India a developed country, not a developing country. Thank you. Any questions?
Pass the microphone to Priyanka.
Hello, my dear friend. Saidi, what you said, I agree totally. But how we can destroy the child labor?
Not almost, but we can do our part, because do you have a servant maid in your house? Many of us has. We can say take the son or the daughter of them and tell us the importance of education and create the interest of education in them, so that they can be educated.
Anyone? Any other queries?